the stock in focus, the company in focus, and it is in focus for very good reason. One of India's most famous investors, RadhaKishan Damani, and his brother Gopikishan Damani, continue to increase their stake in India Cements. Now, it has been going on since quite some time. We at ET now have called out quite painstakingly, the stake purchases that both of the Damani brothers have done in India Cements over the past year and a half. And in fact, if you're looking at the end of June 2019 quarter, both of the brothers had no stake as far as India Cements is concerned. At that point of time, the share price was languishing, the valuations were very attractive, the company was also said to be grappling with a little bit of debt worries. However, as valuations became more attractive, and also given the fact that the entire cement industry took a turn for the better, and also quite a bit of volume revival that was seen in the year and a half, what you actually saw was that it became a very attractive investment target for one of India's most astute investors. So at the end of the September quarter, they made a quiet entry, 1.3% was the kind of stake. After that, a little bit more aggressive at the end of December quarter, 4.7% stake. At the end of March 2020 quarter, you actually saw them increasing their stake very, very aggressively. In fact, you actually saw them buy 8% stake in a day, you saw them buy 11% stake in a day, and of course, at the end of the day, you actually saw the stake increase that much. So at the end of March 2020 quarter, their stake increased to almost 20%, and that is something that was quite interesting. At the end of September 2020 quarter, 20.4% stake, and at the end of December 2020 quarter, a 21.1% stake is what you saw the Damani brothers holding as far as India Cement is concerned. Now, this led to speculation whether there would be an open offer, there could be, acquisition, whether, Damani would be looking to actually go ahead and offer to buy a controlling stake as far as India Cement is concerned. All of these speculations were rife. India Cements has maintained quite categorically that all of the investments done by the Damani brothers continue to be financial and not necessarily a strategic investment. You also had one of the agencies actually say that, quoting sources, that it's possible that they could be looking at a hostile takeover as well. But so far, none of these have come to fruition. But you're actually seeing RadhaKishan Damani, remember, one of India's most astute investors, and along with his investment, the stock price too has done quite well. So overall, it'll be interesting to see how the street takes to this particular development and how the street exactly looks at the increasing stake of the Damani brothers as far as India Cements is concerned.